Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So I guess I am starting to take my video making, video creating a bit more seriously as I broke down and I bought a ring light, which is, my understanding is a standard in a 3-point lighting setup where you've got a ring light, a spotlight, and then I believe I don't really know what the other one is called. Main light? A key light. Ring light, spotlight, key light. So this is the ring light, and I like this one because it was highly rated on Amazon, first of all. Another a TikTok creator actually recommended it, and so it's got 3 colors lighting mode, or you can light things up in 3 different colors apparently. So it's got an adjustable brightness, and you can adjust it 360 degrees around, USB power, and I believe it folds up and makes this easy to carry if you were going to take it outside. So right off the bat, we have boxes within boxes, which is always fun. And the company's name is Kaiess, and a little user manual here. Looks fairly straightforward. Please read the instruction. Should be instructions, not instruction. But okay, carefully, and hope you enjoy our product. Do you have any questions, please contact us. Okay, so that's cool. And contact us without any hesitate. I believe that should be hesitation, but okay. So some basic assembly instructions. Yeah, this looks fairly straightforward to assemble. And we have a bunch of parts here. So this looks like this would be your a phone attachment, which is cool. You can actually attach your phone or a recording device. It comes with I believe this is a remote for your camera. So this would hook up with your iPhone, excuse me, or Android camera, and you can, you use that as a remote. So basically, I think it would just do shutter on, shutter off, and then here's the base of the stand seems to be, which just seems very solid and nice and well made. So that's cool, and then yeah, so that's and it actually gives it a little bit more of a platform to stand on. And I love these new openers. The key light that I just bought, I did another unboxing video for the key light that I purchased on my channel, and these fasteners are worth their weight in gold. So nothing to screw in. You just basically pop this off, and you can pop each one off to get that additional length. And I love the fact that this is going to be nice and tall here in my crib. So it's got, I don't know, maybe 5 feet, easily 5 feet of length here. So very cool. So that's that guy. And then in this box, looks like there's a little tabby thing here. Oh, this is the light itself, of course. And neat that right off the bat, I love that there's a controller for the colors on the unit itself. I believe there's also an app with this. If not, I will update. I'll put something in the description down below to talk about the key features and so forth. Yeah, I did very little prep for this video, as you can probably tell, but I just wanted to give you a look if you're interested in seeing what it looks like out of the box. So we've got up and down, that's for brightness presumably, on off of course, and then mode, which I think will allow you to adjust the colors. And then here we have our USB connector, so this connects to the base obviously, and then a little attachment there for, I think that's probably how it connects to the base. So just a quick unboxing video for now of this ring light by a company called Kaiess. Hope you found it helpful, just to get a sense in terms of what this guy looks like out of the box, but I'm super impressed. And again, I love those little fasteners are worth their weight in gold. So basically you can adjust the thing to any length that you want super easily. And yeah, I love it. So very cool. Exceeding my expectations out of the box. I'm going to assemble it next, and I think what I'll do is I'll append a short video to this, just so I can show you what it looks like on my floor here. Anyway, hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. I do all sorts of videos on all things tech. So please like, follow, and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.